Sweet. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Sweet is used to describe food that tastes pleasurable or good. It has a lot of sugar, which gives us energy. Our body desires sugar. Even babies like sweet taste. Some sweet foods include cake, cookies, ice cream, and honey. Salty. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Salty is a way to describe food with a lot of salt. Salt is important in our diet, and it enhances the flavor in foods. However, too much salt can cause health problems. We need salt, but only a little. Some salty foods include pretzels, chips, French fries, and popcorn. Sour. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Sourness is a taste that detects acidity. Many fruits have a lot of acid. The mouth-puckering sensation is common in many fruits. Many different kinds of candy are also sour. Some sour foods include vinegar, limes, lemons, and passion fruit. Bitter. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Bitter is the most sensitive of the 5 tastes. Many bitter compounds are toxic, which is why bitter flavors are unpleasant or not good. Many plants have a bitter taste. However, a little bitterness can make food more interesting. Some bitter foods include coffee, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, and broccoli. Savory or umami. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Savory or umami is something that has a good taste. A Japanese chemist did not know how to describe foods like meat and cheese. These foods are not sour, salty, sweet, or bitter. He named the taste umami, which means good flavor in Japanese. Some savory flavors include meat, cheese, fish, and tomatoes. Okay, and the yellow is for the beginners. There are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Sweet, like cake. Salty, like chips. Sour, like limes. Bitter, like coffee. And savory, like cheese. Again, there are 5 basic categories to say how food tastes. Sweet, like cake. Salty, like chips. Sour, like limes. Bitter, like coffee. And savory, like cheese.